everyone, you welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Chef MMN, and on this channel I teach how to make Nigerian and international food, pastries, snacks, and lots more kitchen related content. Today I'll show you how to make spicy vegetable fish sauce, special sauce just for your white rice, yam, and lots more. Please stick to the very end of this video and like this video so others can see it. I'll go ahead and season my fish. I've deboned the fish. I'm adding salt, bouillon cube, curry powder. Just go ahead and season your fish the way you like it, and I'm marinating with olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you don't have olive oil. I leave that in the fridge for 30 minutes, then go ahead and pan fry the fish. It's important to put the fish in the fridge before frying. You can also air fry this. Putting it in the fridge will help it to be firm when we are frying, to not allow the fish to scatter, guys. So flip it over to the other side, and here my fish is ready. It's important to know that frying the fish, you have to do shallow frying, guys. Don't put plenty oil in the frying pan. So I'm going ahead to fry my vegetables. I have onions, carrots, bell peppers, red, yellow, and green bell peppers, guys. So I'm going to just stir fry these and allow it to fry properly before I set it aside. But before then, I'm going to season my vegetables. I'm adding in salt. You can spice this up with any vegetable seasoning of your choice. So I'm done doing that. I'll set it aside in a clean pot. Go ahead, heat up my pot and allow it to dry. Then go ahead and add in vegetable oil and onions. So it's time to fry the peppers. The peppers I have here is cayenne pepper, chili pepper, and Scotch bonnet pepper. That's TATASHE, SHUMBO, and atarudo peppers. So going to literally fry this till the pepper is well fried. And guys, it's important to fry your pepper very well so that the TATASHE will not give that bitter taste in your sauce. So the ratio of pepper is very important. Remember, this is spicy vegetable fish sauce. If you watch this video till this very time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. I would like you to recreate this recipe and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to hear from you guys. So my peppers has fried for a while, and checking is perfectly okay. I'll go ahead and fry my well chopped fresh tomatoes, guys. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, you can as well use your tomato paste. And I'm also going in with bouillon cube and salt. I'm adding in my salt to taste. At this point, you can go ahead and add any other seasoning of your choice. That's my mixed spice seasoning. You can add any seasoning of your choice, but be careful with the sauce, the type of spice that you are using. So I covered that up halfway and allow it to fry for a while, guys. So once you notice that oil on top, it means that the sauce is well fried. The tomato, I don't really want the tomato to be really fried. I still want some chunk of it in the sauce. And I go ahead and add in my vegetables that I stir fried and fish. And this sauce is almost ready. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please join the family. Subscribe to this channel. It's absolutely free. Like the video, comment, and share my videos. I want to hear from you in the comment section. Recreate this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. I want to especially thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you, everyone. And the sauce is almost ready. You can serve this as lunch paired with white yam, plantain, potatoes, or rice, even pasta. So recreate this recipe and drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.